Okay, what we have here is a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken. These are some of my hacks I talk about when I'm talking about cooking and coming up with ideas. You didn't mean to bump the camera. So basically, we're gonna take it out of here. All right. Just gonna open it up. And this is a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken. We're just gonna get a little foil and sit it in. We're gonna take it out to the grill. And put it in the grill. Oh, here we go. All right. We don't want it to dry out. But we're gonna leave it like this, and we're gonna come back, okay? Give y'all some light. All right, now that's the chicken. All right, we're gonna pick it up and bring it over here, like so. Take it. So this is how we're gonna do this. We're gonna bring the chicken here. Now we're gonna smoke this. We're gonna smoke it, okay? So all we're doing is gonna smoke it and warm it up. And this is how we're gonna get some smoked chicken. I'm gonna have to go ahead on and sit it on here to smoke it. I'm gonna keep the temperature down real low so it don't dry out. Okay, that's already on. And we're gonna have it, let it warm up to 325. We're gonna smoke it for 15 minutes. All right. Fan is on, circulating. That's how we're gonna roll with it. All right. Now, in the meantime, when the chicken is smoking, we are going. See how the chicken coming along, getting nice and smoked. All right. And we heating it up at the same time. We got on 325. Okay, nice and hot, nice and warm. All right, let's get ready to get this chicken off of here. Okay, that's it. Wow. We don't want to tear the skin up. We're going to wrap it up. Hold our moisture in. Now we're going to bring these sweet potatoes out here. Okay. And we're bringing this up to 190. All right. It's going to preheat, come on up to 190. We're going to get the sweet potatoes out here. All right. Let's get ready to trim this baby. Get him a leg off of here. It's beautifully smoked. I love this color. Let's get this string off. The string off. All right. String off. All right, we're getting the string off. There we go. They put the string on there when they do the rotisserie. Okay, so we're gonna cut keep in a leg off. Try to do it with a knife, and he likes the leg. He don't really like the thigh. Okay, let's see if we can get this. There we go. Got him a leg. We're gonna give him both legs. All right. Come right down through there. Let's lift this leg up. There's a thigh bone I was trying to avoid. And ooh boy, if you all could smell this, it smells so delicious, you know. All right, so we got that done. We're gonna fix the Keithian's plate, so I'm gonna stop, wash my hands. We're gonna put this on pause. And some beans. Some beans on there. These are sweet potato fries. We're gonna get a little cabbage. Get a little bit of cabbage. All right. There we go. Getting to keep a little cabbage. Got cabbage in the pressure cooker. But no, that's the rice cooker actually. Not even the pressure cooker. All right, so we're gonna do an egg. Okay. So let's do this egg. Come on. Eggshell. How do you all shell your boiled eggs? Drop a comment below, let me know. I kind of shell mine this way. I'm not a professional egg sheller, by no means. But I'll run water on it and make it a little easier for me. If that membrane will break, then I know it'll come on off, but it hasn't broke yet. Right here, break. Nope. Nope. Might have broke right there. Yep, it did. See that little membrane right there? If you can get that to go, peeling the egg is easy at that point. All right. Put those shells down there, wash the egg off thoroughly. All right. Now we're going to go cut it up for him. We're going to cut it up for him. All right. Just like so. And voila. Wash my hands, wash my knife. Now I'll go back to cutting chicken. Wash my knife real good. All right. Just turn on the GoPro. You guys mind if I turn on the GoPro? Okay. Oh wow. Perfect. Try some cabbage. But first, gonna bless the table. Okay. Oh, wow. Perfect. Try some cabbage. But first, gonna bless the table. All right. All right. Perfect. Not overcooked. The pepper kind of tough. Little piece of chicken, nice and tender. Sweet potato. Got to eat it from the inside. Perfect. Perfect. Not overcooked. The pepper kind of tough. Little piece of chicken, nice and tender. Sweet potato. Got to eat it from the inside. Perfect. Well, thank you. And there you have it. We thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Thank you to the subscribers. We really appreciate you. Thank you to the viewers. Please click and subscribe. We have all different types of content. This channel is just not a one item, one size fit all. So we cover a lot of stuff. We thank you. We appreciate you and bless you. Wow. So family, you come to a place like this and you get your rotisserie chicken already cooked. They have regulars and they have lemon peppers, okay? We're gonna get a lemon pepper today because they only got a few left. So we're gonna get, I look at mines because I don't want them burnt up. And they do have, when they be on the shelf too long, they will mark the time. All right. So we're gonna get this. It's $8.99. We're gonna go ahead and take it home. It'll be already home. Okay. And guess I'll put it right here. So we're gonna get the rotisserie chicken. All right. So let's move along. And they got other stuff. You know, they got ribs. They got baked chicken. They got smoked chicken, hot. You can buy it already done here in the store, but I like to get the whole chicken. So when I get home, I can jazz it up with my own trimmings, do what I want to do with it. All right, thank you. This is how we do it. This is how we're gonna visit the. All right, now we're getting ready to go check out. Peace.